Today, Roman James Estates are proud to be filming at Sadler's Rest, a luxury 6-bedroom detached family house located on Catford Road in PR4. This beautifully positioned property has open aspects to both the front and the rear, overlooking open fields. Upon entrance, the imposing hallway offers access to all ground floor rooms. In 2020, one of the most important rooms has to be the kitchen diner. This high-end kitchen comes complete with granite surfaces, NEP appliances and a Quoker instant hot water tap. Externally to the rear of the property is an excellent sized lawn garden with pathway leading up to the double brick-built garage. On the first level of the property are 4 double bedrooms. As well as this, on the first level is the family 4-piece bathroom suite. Second level of the property are 2 additional double bedrooms and a modern 3-piece shower room. The location of this property is at the heart of Catford Village and is surrounded by beautiful open plan greenbelt land